Hi YouTube, today we're here at my brother's place. We're gonna add some wheel spacers to this car. It's an Opel Corsa OPC, otherwise known as a Vauxhall VXR. And we're gonna take you in for a close-up to see how it's done.
Alright, hey guys, you're looking at my car. It's a Opel Corsa D OPC, a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder turbo with about 200 brake horsepower. It's a nice little Euro hot hatch car. Build year is 2012 and the current mileage is 66,000 kilometers.
So let's take you in for a close-up. These are the stock wheels, they're OPC, 18-inch. And I want to show you, I think this is a good view to see how they're spaced now. We got two sets, one for the front, one for the rear. I think the rear is 15 millimeter and the front one is 10 millimeter. So after we're done, I'm gonna take you in for another comparison. Let me show you what we'll be using. These are the spacers. They're milled aluminium, I think. And this is the rear set, 15 millimeters. This is the front set, so you can see the difference.
And one of the important things, guys, if you're gonna fit your wheel spacers on your car, always choose the Hubcentric ones. That's the one with the ring in the middle, and it's supposed to fit onto your wheel hub on the ring without any play in it. That's really important. I chose these wheel spacers because they're high-grade aluminum Hubcentric wheel spacers from Germany, which usually means good quality. In Germany you have to prove all the changes you make to your car. Fortunately in the Netherlands that's not necessary, so we don't have to do that. But of course we want to make sure that the fitment is safe and the work is properly executed. So that's why I chose the Hubcentric spacers. We're going to put a little bit of cop grease on the inside of the Hubcentric ring. That's going to fit around here like this. Just a little bit on the inside of the ring. And a few dabs on the inner surface of the spacer. Now we can put the spacer on.
And of course you cannot use the original wheel bolts because you put in the spacer. This is a 10 millimeter, so that means the original bolts will be 10 millimeters short. So of course when you buy the wheel spacers, be sure to buy the correct bolts that go with them.
We're going to lower the car next to the ground, and then we're going to torque the wheel bolts to factory specs.
Shot from the rear side of the car. So this is the wheel without the spacer. We're gonna put it on. All right, now we're gonna see how it looks with the spacer installed. And this is the view from the front. As you can see, there's a notable difference. The rear is wider than the front, but also the front you can notice. With the wheels back on the car, we're finished here for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.